guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girls, Yannick
and Shelly.
And we're back this week with another lit video. As you can see by the title of the video, we have a nice little story time for New Year. A nice little juicy story time.
Story come to bone.
Yes. What story about, Shisa?
The worst. Tell him. You tell him.
The worst lie you ever catch a man in a, or else a man ever tell you and then you just catch up on him a little bit. You understand?
So, the worst is, I have a lot of story. Yannick is so fortunate. She have few, she can't even think about two. Sometimes I say she's so fortunate.
Because I'm on the spot.
I have to be jotting down so I don't forget any of the lies. So
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to follow us on all our socials. So follow her on,
that's Instagram at Shelly Lisa B, and on Facebook at Shelly Lisa. And go ahead and follow my business page at Forever Thoughts. That's on Instagram and Facebook. And remember, we're taking pre-orders now. We're taking pre-orders from October the 1st. So go ahead and place your pre-orders. I have some bomb stuff on my Instagram. Go and check them out. Yes. And my Facebook. Go and check them out. Nice.
And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Queen Yan Brown, and on Facebook at Yannick Brown, and on TikTok at Yannick Brown 8. Alright?
TikTok. So we're not waste no time. Let's jump
in this video
because it's a time for my, it's about time I stop keeping all these lies. It's time for me to tell somebody. It's about time I share.
You guys are therapists. Yeah, be with therapists.
You're my therapist. It's time I share these lies.
We'll go first.
You want me to go first?
You go first. We'll go first. Maybe
go
a story
first.
after that night. So maybe just start off looking nice and slow.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so my story that I'm not calling you.
No names.
Anonymous.
And
yes.
No event. We're not really put the right events. No names, no right events.
No events?
Like in a sense, like we're not gonna say, like if our drunk was 2015, we're not really put the details.
So my story is, I remember when, but we got this party all of it, and somebody, I'm not gonna call somebody name. And the person there at the party, right? So all of their party, they enjoy with self and a bag of things and a pool party.
Okay.
And then the person says, remember they say, don't go bathroom around, and the person disappear. I don't know where this money gone. I don't know where he gone. So and then the party gone and gone. I said, when there? Wait. When I see him, I said, okay, party done. All we know I go up a clock. I walk go look driver, I go yard or just chill at clock or that's how I take time and I walk. When me look, who me just see? In a change of clothes and everything. So good boy, go and yard. Take one girl from the party and carry go in yard and go do with my do and bid and come back at watch it.
So what you tell us say?
He tell me say me dem a bathroom. I think he say
no, so when you see up a clock, what you tell us say?
I don't remember. I swear to God, I don't remember when you tell me say I'm to when I left. I don't remember when you tell me say when I left. But she did say we all out there party together, right? So
but when I say if I didn't I couldn't figure to when
I kind of long time ish. But I don't remember when you tell me say. But I know say me never talk to him for a while. But I tell you say if good boy change, you know, good boy change clothes and come back and watch it. I say no sir.
And
so let's say you know, he says, you want excuse me, I don't remember what excuse.
I like the excuse. If you know who you are,
please remind me excuse when you tell me say.
Remind her excuse where you tell her, because me curious. Comment down below if you don't want to know that the excuse, because I'm curious to hear what excuse he gave to say why him change him clothes.
And after we stop talk, then he tell me say, he ask him again and he tell me exactly what he go do, and he tell me, so that's why I know the full story. So he tell me say he left, he carry the girl from the party and carry guy in yard, and then he come back and meet me and watch it after the party done. Tell me now. Alright, your turn, ready.
Well, mine is like this. Listen, mine, why come at me Bound to meet the lion man then. Mine is like this. So I don't remember exactly when, but person will know themselves. The Jamaica go back overseas, and it was 2 weeks after the person say, alright then say my brother go on a trip to another country that they can drive. So he said I go on a trip with my brother, we drive across state. So I say, okay then yeah man, he might do some deliveries and I have a delivery company, so I go help him. So I say alright then, no problem. So what kind of did? Make me suspicious when he gonna tell me say through my drive across country in phone now go pick up, he not have no service, so I can go get him for the time when him and him brother I go drive from place to place. I say okay then, I still not say nothing. So when you leave the day, I say I give the benefit of the doubt. So I call him machine and everything, and few times like during the like a day in a day we send me a text or call me. About a week, send me a text or call. But when me I call him, me not get him, but when him choose the time when him call me and text me, I say okay then, no problem. So now he come back and me forget all about this, but like he admits the Shelly, listen, me now me take it for no you, my bella. Me I will reveal this to you. I shall open up your eyes and let you see this. So me know me tell you me a detective, me love me dig. Me love dig. If anything happen, I must me no one know. Must me no interested. So I start dig. So I say no, it just not sit well with me after a while. I say no man, it doesn't sit well. So I say but the place where you go is supposed to have self-service, so why not self-service?
It's not going to the hills.
It's not going to the hills. So I say okay
hills
then.
and the valley, alright.
So I start searching through profiles. So a person
profiles.
Yes, so I book up on a profile.
Cover FBI business, CIA. Come on, go on.
So I book up on a profile, and the profile say something about Cuba. So I say Cuba. So I said that will explain it all, but it's a Cuba. So a person when go with post one picture, not of them, but with the location Cuba. So I say Cuba would explain. If anybody know about Cuba, say Cuba don't really have no self-service. Cuba don't have no self-service. Technology, you really have technology. So I say that would explain the situation about no self-service. So me still not have no evidence to say alright then, see you here Cuba, because the person posting and him I deny it. So I say alright then, no problem. So me say no, me I go use my big head now, I go use my big head. And
use a big head girl. You say.
So I said to him say, I know you went to Cuba. You lying, I don't want to know Cuba. What Cuba do I went to? I don't want to know Cuba. I don't want to know Cuba. Who give you that idea? So I'm saying, yes you did. So I start get upset now. So I realize say, it's not going anywhere. So the person now was supposed to come to Jamaica about a week. So when you're arguing about a week, the person was supposed to come to Jamaica. So I said to him say, alright then, I'm not argue with you now. I'm not argue with you because guess what, I can't win. What is the funny thing about it is, you travel to a whole different country and you come in here and you have a passport. I tell you say when you see, sometimes I must sit down by your mouth. I chat too much now, I chat too much, and I chat too quick. So I go say to him,
you're not humble. You're humble.
I'm not humble. So I sit down by you, I say no worry. I say I go to a whole other country and a passport, so there have to be a stamp. Of you entering and leaving of you entering that country. Get more. Wanna guess a good boy though? You can guess a good boy though?
Tell me now.
Wanna just guess 1 week before? Guess a good boy though?
That's in
good
passport.
Boy renew in passport.
Oh gee.
Good boy renew in passport and bring the new passport. So when he come now and me grab the passport and say and start go to the passport. So me I say, so understand all this stamp alone then so when you just come, but where else I stamp them? Cause you come to Jamaica much time before. Where they stamp them there? Good boy say, I don't know what I'm talking about. So I go back, I'm gonna look on the date. When the passport issue, the passport, you get the passport the day before him fly come to Jamaica. Me say me want him get it. He shouldn't get it the day. Me say he should not come late. Good boy, you know him excuse when he was I say why renew the passport? He say he have the passport in his car, and when he was coming out of the car the passport dropped out. So he couldn't find the passport, so I have to apply for a new one.
So the passport dropped to the car at the same time when he basically and the same year time where you asked him about Cuba and times you go see the passport.
Yes, and the passport dropped to the car.
Oh, I understand where I go with it. I understand. Of course, I'm going to drop it at the car now. Once you remember, once you know I'm going to come to Jamaica for your C9, I might drop it at the car for you. You probably say, I don't want to see cheese on this jump out. I say, oh, I'm going to hold you back, my nigga. Okay.
Yes. So,
my story is not so hot like she's a story, because she's the one in story them hotter than hot. Tell one next story, because I don't know more story.
Okay.
Tell one next story.
Tell one story.
Okay, only my story is basically somebody attempts and they have asthma in the bottle of asthma, but tell me your story, Murdy.
Me say, this is one next story. So, I was talking to this guy. He have a friend, and then his friend have a girlfriend, but I don't know the girl. Basically, 4 steps on phone. Me, him, his friend, his girlfriend, and his cousin. So like conference. And we talk like basically everybody know free nights and free nights are run.
Yeah.
Upon all night, upon free nights, and because of the pan and say, oh my, when we have argument, the cousin are counsel away.
Box cover.
Cousin are give away
own
advice.
personal counselors.
Oh my God, I can see that you really love her, and she's so nice. She's so pretty and everything. Me I tell you say no, full-fledged cousin. Me I tell you say everything. Me I tell you say the girl act like a cousin and everything, and the guy say.
Me know where this will go.
So
I know where this is going.
So
you know, say no more.
You have a friend, the same from me tell you what have a girlfriend no. Like he say, so he said one day say, you never find it suspicious. Like I said, what you think about ex and cousins? So me I say, I don't really think nothing, they're nice and everything, and per se I'm gonna tell you something. But you can't tell me, you can't say anything at all. So I say,
at first, it's a story, wait.
I said, no problem, tell me. He must say, you know, say, the cause we claim say a cousin and girlfriend for much years. I say a lie I tell. I said nothing can go so.
So,
I say a lie,
so,
and the girl lived for a long time. So I said nothing go so. And she's so calm and everything. So what he's saying
why she indulging in information?
So we're in now, the guy, she and the guy have an open relationship. So the guy get to talk to whosoever he wants to, and the girl full-fledged act like I'm cousin. Act like I'm cousin or everything.
That's so shake up.
When him and the girl in a relationship.
That's so that feel like a shit. That feel so embarrassed.
Me say the girl depend it. When the man attack our problems and she counsel me, so don't leave him. Get back to he's a nice guy and he loves you.
Because she want to keep on doing around.
He's this and he's that and everything.
That's so nasty though and disgusting.
Yeah. Until the guy actually the one break up with her.
Why?
Because the guy said, I want to make this work with her and everything, and she said, but that's another story.
That's a
story. I'm not going to one last to get a story. One last story.
Alright,
one last story. Woman, you guys can relate. Like we all have our Yamisha and Yamabella time.
Yamisha. We're going to the story right now. Because right now the story going to take much years.
No, we can talk about it. Say divorce and marriage overall was a business agreement. So me know like a fool, naive, trustworthy person.
He can't take some.
I say, okay then, business
They can do
agreement.
you
But
body
in the
goodie.
back of my head, me I say,
No,
for business agreement, but who wanna have a child together on a business agreement? So me I say, okay then, okay. So me know, sorry then, it's their business agreement and they so cut off and everything and no did they. Tools. I remember the person father passed away, so I'm saying to him that I know that it was a business agreement, but you guys have a child together, so more likely she's gonna come to the funeral because whether or not me or somebody together and we have a child together and I know how they were with their parents and they're close and stuff, I'm gonna come there to give you some form of support.
Support.
Yes. So he's saying, you know that she have work and she can't get out of work. I'm saying, really? She said, yeah, somebody said she couldn't ask her to leave just to come and support and everything. He said, no man, the person have work and she couldn't get up. I said, okay, no problem. Well, now I know say the reason why Goody couldn't come at the funeral because Goody heavy in her pregnancy about having second picnic. Sure.
Alright, just say goodbye to Kimber. Just say goodbye to people. Don't tell them bye-bye, Julie, because
Bye-bye.
we can't bother no more.
Bye-bye.
I can't
tell her to
be bothered.
She's stressed right out. Listen.
Yes, no.
And that's just the tip.
The tip.
The tip of the iceberg.
No, sir.
And that was my story time of some of the worst lies
man never tell you.
man ever tell you.
No man, she's a tan bad man, Jesus.
Hear the word.
Okay, are you that?
Yes. No more.
Okay.
Thing to do is, if you want to hear more of the stories, comment down below. Say, listen, more story. It's too short, or we need to hear all like. So
I give you more story time what you want here.
Yes. Or tell us, say story time and tell us what story you want to hear because we have story for every category.
True that.
Every category. So we're keeping it real. So go down below. Let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and watch our video before this and the one before this. And go ahead and like, comment on those videos as well. And we will see you next week with another lit video. And we're out.